everyone. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday, you guys, which means it's CASEing the Catty Monday. And today's inspiration comes from the celebration brochure. I think it's page 8, where they have these butterfly elements and they have this beautiful little dangly scissor charm. So I am actually going to show you how we create this little charm. So today's project is not a card, but it's a little dangly scissor charm using these wooden butterfly elements. Now these wooden butterfly elements you can earn free with a qualifying order. I will have in the description links to any of the product that I used in today's video, and if you click on it, it will take you directly to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website www.stampwithshar.com. So I'm going to flip the camera and we are going to get creating on these adorable little scissors charms. So the project we're going to be creating today is this super cute charmed scissors, and we're using the butterfly elements. Now these elements are free with a qualifying order. I found my inspiration on page 8. So if you look, adorable little charm. So this is what we're going to create today. Now there are different ways to tie your thread onto your scissors. So it depends what kind of look you're going for, would determine how you're going to start off the top piece holding it onto your scissors. So on the green one, I used 3 strands like so, and I used a 4th one, tied it in a knot, and then tied this piece to my scissors. On the red one, I did it slightly different, and again, it's all going to depend on how you want, or the look you're going for, according to how you're going to put it on your scissors. For this one, I just looped this through like so. I used another piece, I tied a knot around it, and that was my 3 pieces I needed to braid, okay? And then I used some burlap at the top here to hide that knot that I created with the 3rd piece, and it just gave it a nice little look and just finished it off quite nicely. So I like that. Today's one I thought we would try. I took 3 strands, I tied it in a knot, so just 3 strands, tied it in a knot, and we are going to move that all off to the side here. Let's leave this so you can see that. It's so beautiful, you guys. These wooden elements are stunning, and they come off of here so easily. They just pop right out, and you can see there was no, no pushing, or they just pop right out. And you can actually color these as well, which I will be talking about in a later video. So all you're going to do is you're going to find which butterflies you want. Now how cool is this? Look at this. So this one pops out, and then this pops out too. So it's got this like cool little small butterfly. How awesome is that? Okay, so you're going to find your pieces. So I'm going to use this butterfly. We got that flower. There's so many in here, and you get this free with a qualifying order. I'm going to use this one. Now if you notice, these are 2 different sizes. These here, so they're different sized flowers too. So I'm going to use a large and a small. But yeah, look at all. I mean, you get a good amount. So I've got my strand, and again, I'm going to try a different way today. Okay, so that's my strand on my scissors. Again, I've got some burlap, and all you're going to do is you're going to separate the burlap, right? You're going to cut it and you're going to separate it because I want this strand. I love the look. I love that it matches my wooden elements. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to double it up. I'm now going to tie a little bow. Now the hardest part is just basically playing around and getting that start to your ribbon charm. Okay, so right now I've added a little bow there, and that's what's going to anchor it in place. What you want to do is you want to grab some painter's tape, and we are going to anchor our scissors down. And the reason why we anchor it down is because, trust me, it's super hard to do a braid with it not anchored down. It keeps wanting to move. So by just anchoring it down with a little painter's tape, it's just going to allow you to braid a little bit easier. And then all you're going to do is you're going to separate your strands and you are going to start braiding. Like you would a braid, a hair braid. You are then going to grab a flower. Now I'm going to lick the end, but I am going to cut it off anyway, so it doesn't matter, I lick the end. And that's just going to help me to feed my flower through. And then you're just going to keep braiding, and you're going to keep on going. I'm going to now add the butterfly, and again you can use any of these holes to feed the twine through. And I'm just going to feed that through. I'm going to feed another one. And you are just going to continue braiding until you get down to the bottom. And that's all there is to it. You're just going to braid. Super fun, you guys. Again, you're going to take another piece of that burlap. And you're just going to finish the bottom off with another little burlap bow. And that, my friends, is this adorable little charmed scissors. You're going to cut away the excess. Obviously, you're going to fix up your little bow. But that, my friends, is how to make an adorable little scissor charm. Let me try this little bow again. And that, my friends, is your adorable little charmed scissors. Cute, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys are not going to miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.